Welcome students. Part 7 Chapter 2 Shapes of atomic orbitals and boundary surface diagrams and nodes will be discussed in this part. Probability density. Psi gives us the amplitude of wave. The value of psi has no physical significance. Psi gives us the reason in which the probability of finding an electron is maximum. It is called probability density. Nodal surfaces. The reason where this probability density function reduces to 0 is called nodal surfaces or simply nodes. There are two types of nodes, radial nodes or nodal regions. Radial nodes occur when the probability density of wave function for the electron is 0 on a spherical surface of a radius. Number of radial nodes is equal to n minus L minus 1. Angular nodes or nodal planes. Angular nodes occur when the probability density wave function for the electron is 0 along the direction specified by a particular angle. Number of angular nodes is equal to 1. Let us try to solve a simple example. 2s orbital has n is equal to 2 and L is equal to 0. Number of angular nodes L is equal to 0. The number of radial nodes having formula n minus 1 minus L value comes out to 1. So total number of nodes is 1. So you can solve it for one example of 2p orbital also. Now what is boundary surface diagrams? It is surface in the space where probability density is constant for a given orbital. This gives a good representation of the shape of the orbital. This shape encloses the region where probability of finding electron is high. Shape of s orbital. All the s orbital are spherical in shape and the probability of finding the electron at a given distance is equal in all the directions. The size of s orbital increases with increase in n, that is principal quantum number. Size of 4s is greater than 3s is greater than 2s. So, size increases as we move away from the nucleus. Size of 1s orbital is shorter than 2s orbital. Now, shape of p orbital. Shape of p orbital has three possible orientation. Each p orbital consists of two sections called lobes that are on either side of the plane that passes through the nucleus. The probability density function is 0 on the plane where the two lobes touch each other. The size, shape and energy of the three orbitals are same, just the orientation is different and they are given the designation dxy, pxy, px, py and pz, and they are given the shapes of dumbbell as is clearly shown on the picture. Shape of d orbitals. It has 5 shapes of the first 4 d orbitals are similar to each other, whereas that of the fifth one is different from other. But all the 5 3D orbitals are equivalent in energy. They have double dumbbell shape. They are designated by dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square, y square and dz square. Thank you so much.